On October 4th, 1957, history was forever changed as Sputnik, the first man-made satellite, launched into space. This great feat launched mankind into a new era of exploration and discovery. Man had always looked up into the heavens and pondered what was out there, what was beyond our reach. But now there is a whole new frontier, questions to be asked, discoveries to be made. We set our sights on exploring the universe and race to get there. Like we have always done in our past, curiosity propelled us forward to launching ourselves into hostile and alien environments. We had so many questions that we wanted answered, new problems that we had to overcome. All we could do was throw ourselves out there, hope for the best, learn from our mistakes, and then try again. With each new question answered, 10 more would arise, so we'd launch even more and more satellites into space. Although this was effective enough to make us content, there were unforeseen consequences to come. In order to launch an object into space, you need a tremendous amount of energy to do so, and energy isn't free. The reason why satellites and rockets cost millions and millions of dollars is because of the sheer size and amount of material and propellant needed to launch an object into orbit. For each kilogram of mass of a satellite, you need just that much more propellant to have sufficient energy to get it up there. On average, over half the budget for any satellite mission is reserved for the launch vehicle alone. Now once we get up into orbit, there are virtually no forces to bring it back down. Most satellites would take decades or centuries to eventually fall back to Earth. Therefore, if we wanted to bring it down ourselves, we would need to use fuel. More fuel means more mass. More mass means more propellant. More propellant means more money. There was never any reason to bring back dead satellites. They would burn up in the atmosphere before it would ever reach the surface, so there was never anything we could learn from them or salvage. So instead, when a satellite dies, it is just left up there to orbit forever on its own.